my suspension in? Well, it's been a week that I've been gathering some stuff, but I got some serious stuff that came in today. Let's check it out. Ta-da! Let's open it. I've already opened it, of course, because I was too excited. So sorry that you can't see my reaction on how beautiful this stuff is. Spanner wrenches. Paperwork. We might have to read some of this. I don't know. We did the True Hearts fine, so we'll see. Finally got the box. I'm gonna cut it out open. Got some function informed type 2s with the adjustable dampening. These things are actually pretty sick. I had doubts a little bit because there's seriously an occult following almost, but these are pretty sick. I'm going to open up these. You don't need to see that. And then we'll move on to the next boxes. Wow. These feel and look amazing in quality. Way better than the True Hearts. So again, I hope what I get, what I pay for, because there was like couple hundred more than the True Hearts even now. So now we're in the 700 and something range. So like 750, I think, is what I got all four for. So, moving on though, I got some Skunk 2 packages. The way they box this stuff is like a new pack of Jordans or something. Look at this. So these, they're in the bag. I can get them out later. Doesn't really matter, but you can, these are rear camber kits. No stance boy. Using them to fix my negative camber, yeah. So, those are basically the upper control arms for the rear. So, got those in. Same thing, like this packaging, man. But these are lower control arms for the front. Most people don't get these, I don't think, out of what I've seen. I need them. I'm in a DX model. I need EX or SI lower control arms to run a sway bar of any kind at all. So I needed these. Hint, hint for the near future, I'm getting a sway bar. If you guys didn't catch that. got both of those. And then this is the last Skunk 2 package anyways. Man, this just, oh, that's so killer. Upper control arms for the front. What's this? They adjust. Camber kits. Camber kits for the front. Boom. Also, they sent me different stickers. Not the usual. These are like metallic-y. I also got some Moog tie rods, inners and outers, the problem solvers. So hopefully you can fix my problem. I know, it's a mess. This is my car part room if you guys have never seen it before. But what I wanted to show you guys, ta-da, light. I got me some Nittos. They're Neogens. I went wider, a little bit less profile. I'm not trying to do low pro, but just a little bit less sidewall, and then a more traction on tires to go on my size, and my new suspension to ride smooth. So, let's open up these. Go post to Instagram, and then we will head outside and work on her. Look, she's like leaning too. It's bad. Let's go. Hey, Masha. We are now working on it. Finally. It's been a little bit. We got food and stuff. Hey, Daniel, how's it going? Alright, so I started working on it. My phone needed to be charged, but I got it. Got the ball joint tool out. If you don't have one of these, get one of these. They're $20 at Harbor Freight Lit. Best $20 you'll spend. Sorry, popped off the first one, the top one, for the upper control arm. Because I think it'd be a little bit smarter to go top down on taking off. And then, I don't know, I'm probably just going to do one piece each so that at least this will be hanging. Because I don't want to take literally everything off and just have a knuckle hanging by brake line. So, I'm going to do the upper control arm now. I was kind of confused at first how this is going to come out, but actually, they're on top. So, you have, I think it's a 12 or 14 on each side of the column, or the shock tower. So, I'm going to undo those, and we should be able to get the upper control arm out. And then I'll go get the new Skunk 2 ones. So, let's see how it goes. Oh, that was easy. Daniel, go get the red chimichangas. So, yeah, no, these were definitely done. That's disgusting, and the creaking makes sense. So I'm going to put those back up so I can put the knuckle at least back in. I might go ahead and take the suspension out, put that back in first. We'll see. So, one or the other. Oh, look at those. Thank you, my dear Daniel. So yeah, I decided to go ahead and take the coilover out first. The bottom two were 17ths on each side. Bolt and nut. Simple. And then, obviously, two 14s up here. I will drop that. yeah, but that's pretty much it. I did this one ahead first so that I could get it out, since the knuckle's disconnected from the upper control arm, and I think it has enough room this way. I'm not sure. I might need Daniel to push this down a little bit further, just maybe. Oh, no, I think I just pushed it down a little bit further. It's close. Well, we'll get it. I might just disconnect the fork or not. I don't know. It's not that hard. You saw me do it on the CRV. Obviously, it's like right there at it. It's almost. Yeah, we'll get it out. But yeah. But yeah. Forget it. Hey, Majo. Well, got those two technically in. I could do the lower control arm right now, but again, I didn't want the knuckle hanging just by brake line, so I'm going to try to put the knuckle back on the upper control arm so that it could be suspended while we do the lower control arm. And then we can button up everything, and then the front's done. So, go together. So I got the lower control arm out, but I also had to take the A control, or whatever the heck it's called, A arm thing. This thing? Yeah, this thing. Had to take it fully out too. That was garbage. But removed the ball joint with the ball joint tool. 20 bucks, Harbor Freight. I'm not sponsored. Just good thing. But I got it on. It's pretty.
But if you want a sponsor, I mean, hey, we're here.
But yeah. So, pretty stuff. Got it on. Now to put it back in. Alright, guys. I'm just showing you that because that was annoying and I felt stupid that I had to take this whole thing out. But boom, there you go. And here we see a wild Kyle in his natural habitat. Say what's up to the vlog. Oh, well, he bounced a freaking screwdriver off my car. Yeah, my phone died, so... Yep, did the lower control arm as well. Everything's buttoned back up. Put preload on it by jacking up the whole knuckle up. Tightening everything down. In order to get the knuckle off, though, you have to fully do this A-arm thing along with it. Which means there's like a 19 at the end of this thing right here. Take that out and go. And then, yeah, just take out the main ones, pull the whole thing. And then to put it back in, it's annoying, but gotta loosen these up so that you can give it some room to get the whole thing in. But it's done. We're now doing the other side. Did you get it popped off?
No,
no, not yet.
Rethread it right now.
Rethread it. So this side wanted to be a jerk. We'll get it though. Yo guys, I'm making this video real quick to let you guys know that we did get the Civic dropped. The suspension done. I've been trying to figure out like when to make this video, when to finish this, what you just saw up, but I haven't been able to. So I'm just making this real quick to let you guys know it is done. I'll put a picture right here for you to show you. It's solid, it's good. I've already been on a couple mountain runs, just haven't filmed anything, and I'm sorry for that. But videos will be coming out soon, more frequently a little bit. I'm kind of back on top from all this stupid COVID-19 stuff, and hopefully you guys will enjoy. At my dad's, we're working on my house because the floors are caving in. So, until the next video, guys, laters.